Hey guys, how are you? My name is Shamir Gutierrez from Lima, Peru, but I'm living in New York City, and this is my first post analysis from dollar yen. And as you see here, my entry was a buy. That was my prediction. And the reason that I try to buy, I am a day trader. I trade a 1 hour, the 4 hour chart. But I always like to look a little behind what's going on before with the prices. I need to know what's the history of those two pairs. And if I trade a 1 hour chart, I look the 4 hour and the daily. And if I trade the 4 hour chart, I usually look the daily and the weekly. When I do this because I'm looking for a major supports and major resistance. That's how it started. Looking for major supports and major resistance. And if you see right here on the daily chart, I see these arrows, green arrows that you see right here. I see these arrows pretty much into big rejections here. There's weak candles here. Is major rejections by the buyers against the sellers. If you see right here, that's exactly this big candle. I think it was Thursday when this happened. I placed my entry right here. There was this major rejection that was supposed to happen here, but it did not happen. In my case. I looked the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart was basically telling me almost the same history. Major rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. Boom, right there. I took the trade on the 4 hour chart, especially in this area. I took the trade right here around this area. Why I took the trade in the area? Because I took the trade in this area because based on these major rejections, I thought that there's gonna be another rejection. My mistake, I did not finish the candle complete the cycle. I should have waited till the candle complete the cycle and then execute my trade, but not just complete the cycle. I just wait and check the 1 hour chart because it will tell me more. It will give me more idea. It will give me more clues. It will give me more information how the trade is going to be developed. But I did not check the 1 hour chart. I did not. I just went to the 4 and daily, and that really drove me under the bus. I was checking here. I say, okay, let's see what happened. See this trade come back, but it did not happen. And my mistake is, for me personally, I did not wait to this candle complete the cycle. I was too rushed. My enter was very wrong. My entry wasn't the proper time. It wasn't the time to enter. I was supposed to wait more. And I was getting too excited. I was okay. Let me go over because this is supposed to come back. But unfortunately, it didn't happen. It didn't happen, and this is exactly what happened. Touch my stop loss, and I lost the trade. But my mistake here, and here. these big rejections here. I'll focus in this, place my entry here, but in the 1 hour candle, in the 1 hour chart, it looks really different. And I say, okay, have to come back, but break this resistance. Break that resistance. I mean, break the support. Break the support here, because my next support and resistance on the daily chart, it happens here, March 11, March 13, when the big crash down for the coronavirus happened in the United States. And I thought that was not happening here, but almost went through, almost the same level. So that was my post analysis for the dollar yen. Please bear with me. Thank you again for letting me be part of this community. Hope everything was well, and good luck. Thank you, and trade safe.